Today I will tell you in detail about Gravestone Doji. Gravestone Doji is a candlestick pattern. Gravestone Doji is a name given by the Japanese people to the gravestones. You all know what a gravestone is. The stone on which the name of the deceased or something about him is written is called a gravestone. Gravestone Doji can appear in two ways on the chart, both of which you can see in the video. These two candles have three things in common. Their open price and close price are the same. Their upper shadow is long. There is no color in them. Gravestone Doji is a bearish candle. It means that now the bullish period in the market is over and bearish period is about to start. If you are looking at Gravestone Doji in intraday charts, then always remember that it should make a high in the chart. And if you are looking at historical charts, so it will work very well if it forms a high of at least 25 candles. If the Gravestone Doji forms in the middle of the chart, then it holds no significance. Let us now look at the Gravestone Doji in the chart. As you can see on the screen, we have built a resistance. Now let's see through the replies. Gravestone Doji is formed when the market comes to our resistance zone, as you can see. Now we have to wait for the confirmation. As soon as the market closes below the previous doji candle, then we will take our entry. And the stop loss will be placed above the high of the doji candle. And take profit will be according to your risk-reward rule. You have to set it according to the take profit. You can set a minimum of 1 to 2 take profit, or you can set take profit till the last low. We have kept the take profit of the last low, as you can see on the screen. After setting the stop loss and take profit, now we just have to wait until the market hits our take profit or stop loss. We just have to wait. And after the trade is placed, we should not make any changes in our trade. This keeps our trade management good and our psychology also good, due to which we feel confident in our next trade. After waiting for some time, you can see how easily our take profit has been hit. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.